The Supreme Court on Thursday dismissed the appeals brought against President Bola Tinubu by the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Atiku Abubakar, and Labour Party's Peter Gregory Obi. But both parties have expressed disappointment over the verdict of the Apex Court, which affirmed the election victory of President Tinubu.
Everything they said, we expected. Even we are not lawyers, we are not judges. It's a group of individuals from Abuja deluding themselves that they could sue somebody who won an election. The law is clear. Because you didn't take part in the election, you cannot sue. Only the people who contested against him and lost to him can sue. But we have lawyers who got up and went before the courts to say, okay, we are lawyers to so people. I mean, it's ridiculous what they do, moving from TV station to TV station. At the end of the day, does not affect the outcome. The judges are not going to be bothered about public opinion, especially public opinion from a noisy minority. Because when we are talking about public opinion, we have to be sure of what we are saying. That some people are voluble, they can make all the noise in the world, does not mean that they are in the majority. There are people who are not interested in those noises. It's the least of their concerns. Donald Trump lost the election. I supported Donald Trump. I've always liked him. But I knew that he lost the election. But Donald Trump and his people are still saying that he won the election. Despite the huge gap between him and Joe Biden in terms of the popular vote. And when you don't have your way, you stand on the rooftop and be making so much noise.
The Nigerian politician is telling you and I that in politics, anything is possible.
But that is a lie.
Okay.
It is not, you cannot say that in politics everything is possible.
Anything.
No, even anything is not possible.
So
it's the same way that when people argue.
When Napoleon Bonaparte said, in politics, stupidity is not a handicap.
But even when you're talking about stupidity, it's not everybody that manifestly demonstrates stupidity. Some people still have some level of decorum. They will not show their stupidity. Maybe within the four walls of their homes, they demonstrate stupidity. They demonstrate lack of common sense. But when they are in public, they restrain themselves.